We'll guide you through how to animate pie chart in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the taskbar search feature to find Google Chrome. Once the browser appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome application. After the browser launches, enter Figma into the search bar and click the official Figma website from search results. Before continuing, ensure that you're already logged into your Figma account. For this tutorial, begin with a project that already contains a pie chart. Once the file is open, the edit page of your project will appear with the chart displayed on the canvas. Press the F key on your keyboard to activate the frame tool. Then click and drag to draw a frame that completely surrounds the pie chart. After the frame has been created, duplicate it as many times as there are slices in the chart. Open the first frame and move one specific slice slightly outward from the center to emphasize it. Next, open the second frame and move a different slice outward while leaving the remaining slices unchanged. Continue this process until each frame highlights a different slice. Once all frames are prepared, move your cursor to the prototype panel on the right side of the interface. In the interaction section, change the trigger setting to after delay. Next, add an action and set it to navigate to, then choose frame 2 as the destination. Select Smart Animate as the animation type to create smooth transitions between frames. Repeat the same interaction settings for each remaining frame. The only value you need to update is the destination frame. For example, set frame 2 to navigate to frame 3, then continue the sequence for any additional frames you created. To create a continuous animation loop, set the final frame to navigate back to frame 1. After configuring every interaction, click the preview button. Your pie chart will automatically animate by highlighting each slice and sequence with smooth transitions.